just me against the world. Round and round I'm caught up in this swirl, trying to dig and trying to burrow. Pressure turned this stone into a pearl. Lessons that I learned weren't always thorough, sugar-coated like a churl. Now I'm really out here on my own. Now my homies acting like I owe 'em. Done extending out my arm. Made a lot of money from my poems. Been around it, now they say I'm on. I can finally say I'm up now. I'm up now. 20,000 on a bus down. A bus down. I'm on my way up going.
Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. I am Vinod Kumar Ramalingam and you are watching Highway Mafia. Simple. We all desire our bikes to look clean, tidy and look like a showroom delivered product even after 5 or 10 years. A majority do regular maintenance and some people prefer the other way, and these people here at V Details, which is situated at Mugapper West, and Vikash from here is going to explain us in detail on the so-called other way. Kindly don't skip and watch the video fully. If you are new to this channel, do watch our other videos in our channel, and if you find really our channel as a worth and an engaging one, do hit the subscribe button and also don't miss to hit the bell icon. Thanks for now, keep watching.
I'll guide you through my place. So this is basically a car accessory store, and I have a space on the other hand where I detail my clients' vehicles. So I also take care of this business also. So if you want some car accessories also, you can contact me. So let's move on to our workspace. So this is my workspace. Here is where I park my clients' vehicles and detail them. I have enough space to work around the car, so this is more than enough for me. And here I have my tools and all my equipments that I need for detailing. So I'll show you everything. So I have BA polishing machines and compounds. I have specific system to follow, and I have dedicated microfiber towels for specific works, dedicated pads for different paint surface, different works. So I have a huge wide variety of pads. It all depends on what type of work I'm going to work on the paint surface. And here are the chemicals I use: glass cleaners, waxes, spray-on sealants, spray-on ceramic coatings, wheel cleaners, clear lubricants, dressers, tire and vinyl dressers, some few detailing brushes, waterless sprays, and especially the masking tape. So I mask when I work on a vehicle. I mask the integrate trim parts, so that doesn't affect my detailing process. This is plenty much about detailing V Details.
This is Mr. Vikash of V Details. So Vikash is the owner and the detailer of V Details. So நம்ம ஷாப்போட ஒரு ஓவர்வியூ, அதுக்கப்புறம் ஷாப் பற்றின டீட்டெயில்ஸ் வந்து விகாஷ் கிட்ட நம்ம கேட்டு தெரிஞ்சுக்கலாம்.
As you said, I am Vikash. I am auto detailer by profession. That is, I am a paint correction and paint protection specialist for all automotive paints, let it be cars or bikes or anything. So basically my profession for auto detailing is purely driven by passion. I'm passionate about cars and bikes and everything. So I love correcting its paint. I love maintaining it for a better gloss and better finish. So that's what I do.
So about V Details and the persons involved around it.
So V Details is just my own brand name. I have this is a self-made brand, and I am the owner of this V Details, and I am the owner cum detailer. So I am the one who works on your vehicles, and I am the one who owns this brand. So I don't have any labels because I am a professional detailer. I am a certified authorized detailer from many brands. So I don't give my job to any others who are not professional in their ways.
What are the process which is being carried in V Details? Suppose if a customer wants to know what is V Details all about and what are all the things which is carried inside V Details?
Okay, so V Details is a bike and car care service station, studio, whatever you can call it. So it's a place where you can bring in your vehicle and get it detailed. If your vehicle is pretty old, you want it to get new, then I can do that for you. If you want your vehicle to be protected against all the harmful UV rays, all chemical resistance, or you want scratch resistant coatings, we have ceramic coatings, PPF for protections on your paint. So it's a car cum bike care services.
Fine.
From the paint perspective, detailer perspective.
Now detail us about what is the start and what is the end. When a customer approaches V Details, What is the starting point
Okay.
till the end?
So
Till the
basically,
delivery of the product, you can say.
okay. So basically, when you get in your vehicle to me and you ask for what can it be done, what can be done on your vehicle, so I just go through the vehicle, I inspect the paint surface, and I identify the defects on the paint surface, and accordingly I work on it. So it all depends on how long you're going to keep your car, how many years the car is old, and it also depends on what the paint condition is. So I inspect the paint surface, I see the thickness of the paint, and I start with washing it thoroughly in a professional way. Then I decontaminate the paint surface, that is using a clay bar. By using a clay bar, I rub on the paint surface and get the hard contaminants that deposited on the paint surface and that cannot be washed away in washing process. So clay bar helps in removing the contaminants that stuck on the paint surface. Then I measure the thickness of the paint, and accordingly I work. I correct the paint surface, I correct the swirls, scratches, or orange peel, texture removing everything. So it all depends on the condition of the paint. So I might sand the surface, I might then compound it and then polish it. So basically there are many steps involved before we move on to next protection step. So, and in protection I have basically there are 4 kinds of protection you can give to your vehicle. You can either add wax to it. So wax is the most traditional way of protecting a paint surface on the vehicle, and it's the oldest way. So wax, what the problem with wax is, it doesn't last long. So maximum lasting period for wax is like 35 to 40 days. It doesn't last long. So if you're looking for something more effective than wax, then you can go for paint sealant. Teflon is just a scam. There's nothing called Teflon coating in automotive industry. See, Teflon is a product that's been applied on pans. It's usually high heat resistive product, and to install Teflon itself, it takes about 800 degrees for the panel to be heated up. Then only Teflon can be installed on the panel, whatever the surface is. So, and we cannot obviously heat our vehicles on 800 degrees Celsius. So that's technically not possible to install a Teflon on the vehicle surface. So the scam outside is, what they do is they just add 2 to 3 layers of wax and they sell it in the wrong name as Teflon. Probably people don't know what actual Teflon is. There's no product called Teflon in automotive industry. So that's the bottom line. And they don't know what they're installing. They just add 2 to 3 layers of wax and they sell it in the name of Teflon. So I suggest the viewers not to fall under that scam. But wax itself is a hydrophobic layer. It repels dirt, water, dust and everything, and it doesn't allow anything to get stuck to the surface. So that's the basic property of wax. So wax itself cannot be layered up. So what the people out there, they do 2 to 3 layers of wax. So second layer also might possibly wherever, if they have left any spots, they might possibly fill that. But adding to 3 and 4 layers and 5 layers, there are people out there selling 6 layers, 7 layers of waxes and all. So that, I don't think that makes sense. You're just wasting the product, and that's because of lack of the knowledge actually. So, and coming on to paint sealants, they chemically bond with the paint surface. So the lasting period is 2 to 3 times higher than that of wax. So they typically last somewhere between 3 to 6 months. That all depends on what brand of sealant you're going with. So there are many polymer sealants out there, and then we have permanent coatings called ceramic coatings. So they bond with the paint surface, and they give a glassy layer on the surface, and that has a hardness of 9H. So 9H is basically the hardness of the coating. So the factory OEM paint finish has a hardness of 2 to 3H. That depends on what brand and what paint they use. So 3H is the maximum you can expect of any factory OEM paint. So adding a 9H layer onto your original paint surface will make your paint surface durable and resistive to all environmental defects 3 times extra, 3 times more. So it's a 3 times more durable layer on your paint surface, and that's the layer that takes up what your original paint is supposed to take. So it protects against UV resistance. It is highly heat resistant. It has extreme temperature resistance. It can resist temperature of up to 800, 900, 1000 degrees. So that all depends on what brand of coating you choose for. And then we have one more layer of protection that's called paint protection film, PPF. It's known by PPF. So protection film is basically a thin layer of film that has a thickness of about 200 microns, and that goes onto your paint surface, and that's extremely scratch proof. So if you're looking for something extremely scratch proof, you can go for PPF. If you but what the problem with PPFs is out there is they leave a orange peel. You have to notice the peel of an orange, so it has some orangey texture on it. And one more problem with PPFs is that they turn yellowish after a period of time. So I suggest my viewers to go for a branded, reputed brand that guarantees of non-yellowing and peeling off PPFs. So basically, so PPF and ceramic coatings are permanent protection for your paint surfaces, and wax and paint sealants are temporary protections for your paint surfaces.
And after these processes have been completed, and what will be the end of the
as I was saying, I first wash the vehicle, then decontaminate it, inspect the paint surface and work accordingly, correct the paint surface, and then I clean the paint surface with IPA, isopropyl alcohol, because after polishing the paint surface there might be some polishing residues left on the surface which might affect the bonding of this ceramic coating. So I remove that with IPA, and then the panel is prepped for ceramic coating. So I take whatever ceramic coating, I take it, apply on the applicator and apply on the paint surface. So I have various brands that I deal with. So I have Osren ceramic coatings, Surfaces ceramic coatings, then we also have G-Technique ceramic coatings. So whatever brand, basically if customer asks for something specific, I want this particular brand, we can also arrange that and work on that. So basically I'm a paint correction and paint protection specialist.
So how far is the reliability of the product, and any warranty period for the work which you have done?
Before talking about the warranty periods and the lasting of the protection layer, I would want to say that, see, I have corrected the paint surface now. I have not yet installed any coating or any wax or paint sealant on that. I've corrected the paint surface. So if you probably just park it in a closed garage and not take it for 10 years, that's going to last for 10 years. So it all depends on how you maintain. When I add a wax layer to it, wax promises 35 to 40 days. But if you don't maintain it and you don't wash it for 35-40 days and you just leave it in the open sun, and then it's going to probably not even last for 35-40 days. It's all and if you maintain well, it's going to last for about 2 months. So it all depends on how you maintain the vehicle. And ceramic coatings, they typically last somewhere between 2 to 5 years, and there are coatings in the market that guarantees up to 10 years also. So the special brand I deal with is Osren. Osren. It's a Malaysian based company, and their coatings are Japanese based engineering. So they are excellent brand manufacturers for ceramic coatings and other professional grade detailing products. So Osren is a brand that I rely on, and I love its ceramic coating. So its ceramic coating lasts for 2 to 3 years. 2 to 3, and there are coatings in the Osren also that can last up to 5 years. So basically it depends on what customer wants, how long he's going to keep the car, how long he's going to how is its maintenance going on. It all depends on how he's going to maintain it. So depending on that, I would suggest he shall go for this or that.
So how is your work different from others?
As I said in the beginning, I'm a professional detailer, and I follow.
I forgot to ask you one thing. Have you done any studies regarding this, or you have?
Yes, I was just about to tell that. Okay. So this is driven by passion, as I said. So before beginning this, I'm a trained professional. As I said, I'm a trained professional. So I'm a Bigfoot system specialist. That is, Bigfoot is a brand from Rupes. It's a polishing system from Rupes. So Rupes are industry leading polishing machine suppliers. So the machines I use are professional grade machines, and the experience and knowledge makes me different from others. So I'm not like others who just take a buffer machine and just run over the surface and looking for that gloss. and they eventually hide the defects with some polymers and glazes. So I don't use such products. I actually go inside deep and I remove the defects, and that makes me stand apart. So I might not have a fancy studio or fancy lightings, but I can promise one thing, that my work is going to be the best, and customer satisfaction is my number one priority, and I always try to keep that 100.
Can now tell us about the price details for all the works done here.
So prices, they actually vary depending on what customer requires for his vehicle. If he wants a typical wax protection will cost somewhere between
from vehicle to vehicle.
it will also vary from vehicle to vehicle. It depends on the size of the vehicle, it depends on the paint condition. So basic single stage polishing, that is just washing the vehicle, decontaminating it, and single stage polishing will cost somewhere between 3,000 to 4,000 for a hatchback. And for sedan it might cost 1,500 extra, and for SUV again 2,500 extra. So sealants, they cost somewhere from 5,000 to 6,000, and ceramic coatings, they start from 15,000 rupees for a hatchback. So that depends on the size of the vehicle.
Segment. For a bike segment?
For bikes, basic wax polishing, that is a wash.
Most of our viewers are bikers.
Yeah, sure, I understand. So for basic bikes, bikers, what we have is a basic entry level polishing and wax coating will cost 1,000 rupees. And for your special viewers, we can also give discounts and offers for that.
Fine. I was about to ask you.
No, that we can. Yeah, sure, we can do that for viewers of Highway Mafia. We can give special prices.
Mention the YouTube channel name and.
Yeah, sure. And sealants will last double than that of wax. So sealants will cost 1,500, 500 extra, and that also the 1,000, 1,500. It also depends on the make and model of the vehicle. If it's a fully fed version, then it will cost extra. So that depends on the make and model of the vehicle. And ceramic coatings, they start from 8,000 rupees for a two-wheeler bikes, and they go on up to 15,000 rupees. So in case you want to contact me for any service or anything, you can just Google V Details, and you can also follow me on Instagram. The Instagram, my ID on Instagram is V Details. You can look into my latest works and all my detailing works on there. And then my shop location is near Mogpur West 7M bus stand. So you can Google V Details and find the location here. And you can also contact me, and contact details.
The shop details and other information will be given in the description, because Vikash also has a YouTube channel, so the link for it will be given. Do watch the channel also and give your support. See you all in another beautiful video on another beautiful day. Until then, it's Highway Mafia signing off. And guess where I'm standing right now? It's the bottom of a car.